ye small banyansa for na nye anamontentene ena yesuma ewura Bawumia ya ade bi a ade na ewura Bawumia ye no ama afedi mpo nanim onyam no akwatrepo enye sa adobro akwatrepo ewura kene Agyapong so ni nyansafo beko na yesi eda obeto ebo atwa asuo fram no enye sa ada na obete wo mfe ne yaw yesi panyine de wode ne beko na chiri no ena yes obete obabi pe o se na sibi ewura Bawumia ba bonten beka se adoma bi abeka kire ne se aka 1 week ane ye ba beka akoto aba no camp bi ebe sori adidi na tem atwa ntro agu ne so bebre enti ama obi anwore doctor kasa asem no I don't know if obi biate anase mo amote mo fane something serious video no nie
Dr. Bawumia the krobo for po atwama 70 se Miami krobo for atwama ifri wale the constituency ene wale constituency me region area north east region na ukoshe results no 2024 election results no be usa sa konkonsa enye no kre regions no Ghana ha your regions 16 MPP esanse nipa bebre ankotoaba 2024 we share regions nyina 15 out of 16 regions MPP your vote etiba for 15 regions out of 16 the whole Ghana only one region MPP vote epeja Kosro and only northeast region the only region in Ghana MPP vote epeja Kosro northeast region now Ushe constituencies no swa uba say constituencies bebre vote etiba for uko wale constituency Miami constituency MPP vote epeja by 25% increase in vote in Wale constituency. Now, Ushe Ghana Hegina, all the constituencies, 276. Now, Ushe vote change. No, Ube said the highest percentage increase in vote amongst all the constituencies for the MPP was the Wale constituency, but the increase of 25%. 80, and you know, say, Miami Crawford, Oma Tuabano, Amae, Oma me every, Omo constituencies, you vote etiba for, Omo regions, you vote etiba for. 80, and you know, Ukuru.
Eshi. Yewura Bawumia ebeka se omo di ntro bi fa ne egu nanim ase. Se yesi ono ni kromufo anto aba amare ntima yemfa Dr. Bawumia ma. Na camp no okasa no so a minua. Ono ankasa ni constituency ba bia watena so e MPP edimu emfie aduonu enan. Ono ankasa ni constituency yeto abati MPP ajuma be na oyeye. That is the question that he must to answer. Just say utna si boko asundwem na utie campaign nsem na efiri the other side na bana bra esi ankure hunu eye ne ena yedede utimu se message nim omo nhu de omo kan kire delegates enti omo asori enkontompo bosre muka de yenhu ye de yente ye ni asesa ni se twem na yeka na Dr. Bawumia san ka sembi asema Dr. Bawumia ka ya no ye mubinom yesi doctor na ne de anoma ben ene timi beka segu wasum asem we na doctor ka eti
A few days ago, na yeti anoma bi ebeka nkyerɛ say 2 weeks ya akai say yɛkɔ election. Omo di strategy bi eba. Omo ne yɛ nkrɔfo yɛ bi. Omo se omo be didi matem saa, omo be twa ntro egu mi so. 2 weeks na wachi mi enu a ebe. Enti mo nyinaa mo nye alert. Mo beti nsɛm bebree enye no korɛ. Omo pese omo sesa mo adwen. Omo be didi matem saa, ma mo mfi omo. Mongo na mongo to abano emami enyasa mongo na mongo to abano emami we aye koi enye atem didie competition na yeko omo say omo nim say omo campaign no to nsuyom enti omo say if you miss the ball don't miss the man endi na omo de atem didie eba me hono meso me fi omo be focus akodi inkunim January 31st 2026 na ohia asema unka ayempo omude be hye wenum edidi watem so aka se uye koshini we mu nyina ade a omo beye mesume ifi omo
yes enti abusuatio hwe kwanya Dr. Bawumia efa so eyi Canada Agyapong ano tio obi a Canada Agyapong akotena ase afa microphone ne camera si nanim ewo net 2 ensi tete mu said Bawumia ye wotrofo onhu obi a otwa nkotobo ti said Dr. Bawumia no hebra Bawumia be kira microphone animo a with maturity nyansa ne nimdeɛ kwan so or their rubbish assembly a Canada Agyapong kan or their rubbish assembly free Canada Agyapong ano ebeto abonten anyansafo nim sɛ asɛm a papa kan ye ne kwan of fa so okasa aye yi ɛkyɛ papa ne nyansafo ɛkyɛ papa ne nimdeɛ yɛyɛ ɛkyɛ papa ne nim sɛ party ne yɛ adekoro emfa ho ene se woye Canada Agyapong meme ye Bawumia na ye nyina ye petumi e wo party no woye dan a party no e ya de baako enti sabato we ya ye koi enye se ye kodidi amanfo atem na ye de akopetumi na mbom no e ye sharing of ideas between two honorable members of the party ye be kanasa because they are the main people who are fighting now for the throne. I didn't say Dr. Wayne, but Kennedy, AOP or dear Chira, or say Kianeke, said the Ethiopia, or no Nesefata, or no Ghana for sure, or no grassroots, say, Amuhiano. Where Yansani be, Elbabia, and come African in Japan, and Sincha can't and say, Papa, sign. Na wo shi usika kwa enempa enti ne yo enempa yesi ye wo mpemfo omudi na chi a omo apam na no se emma ne nka ensem a ense ne mfata onkasa te sa akwada mpo no ena sabio papa etimi ba abonten ebe fa yiwra da Bawumia edi nanim etwitwi fom fere ne ntrofo e woni panyina nim Sabre we mu yesi ompemfo wo hɔ a ɔmo aka na no atom na mpo no sese aka na no atom mpo ɛna odi empemfo atem sei na nkobɛyɛ ma free abato na yɛ kwa akɔtoro it is not only about say yɛ kɔto aba ɛde ayi frag bell ɛde akɔyi obi obedi party na nim kekew enipa obokɔ akɔdi MPP anim from 31st January no or 75% yan can say assurance so betimi the president in 2028 enti enye okroma to be na yekopa jana besi ho enye obi asabio yekofa na ba ama NDC for apake videos tapes pictures and then ase for leak audios e de begu ye party na ni mase ye penipa ye de ne kogina ho se wei ene eba bedi yanime eba bedi oman ne so a international community kura ne be recognize nipa na edi buo ni nidie edi ama no eye Mr. Motherfucker aitimi ye pa enye Mr. Motherfucker ne yehwehwe obi a eba ne se yenkasa mfa economy ho enye koto beton enye makoto fish abeton ti am the best dabi me Vivian kuwa me mo akwaba enye aban amame sika se me mfa nkoto light bulbs emfamra entime na me the biggest man enye sabi makofa India fo aba amaya besi factory me dia wom ye 5% betime na me Ghana ni nti ye de ahye me kon entime na me ken kon dabi ye probi oni abrofo no betumi atena se afa pen ne paper akasa wa adwenem akira adwen amaya fa na adwen obekire de aye adwuma. That is what we need. Enye nkontomponi na brabani enye obi odi party na nim etwitwi from day in day night na no Kennedy Agyapong che that say obesey MPP party no osheda kotan se wa manfo anim koye ne ho te se de sabio MPP for person omfa de bi hu intano sa nipa no on sem fata se MPP for beto abade amal because de woni mu de odwene de open say kwayon be fa so a obesey party no na MPP for ya lucky wo kwambi so pa ya lucky say enipa na nkunimdie abotire no esensen ne komu no ayefo Dr. Bawumia no oye obi anani abie no onimu nyansa na owo emotional intelligence timifa nyankopon na abo MPP say nipa ye friend Dr. Bawumia papa ye friend Dr. Bawumia onye kitikiti ti se papa bi na se nka Bawumia ti se sa papa na enka party we nke mutete yache enka MPP party gu ye nka yenne nka since 2023 ena nka MPP call a zero because of her kwan nke na Japan fa so anase oguso na ode tete party na se uyi obi oni ni si akan na wadwene mu na ho na unim de wo hwehwe na unim de da wakoma so na wanhu beyond yenka ne se the closer distance me ya be ma wonso no be ye de sensa na se party no leaders no bu mu we so rigina ha na we so rigina na omo ko a de e beba ne se the party ne se ye na beba na so enam nyankopon na daworo ma enam no so ntia yewura Bawumia ye nipa bi anadwene mu do no ni mu nyansa na onye gidigidi ni nti no akwa ete se de enipa ba akofo na ono nko eko miya osaya Anthony mo akwaba Bawumia ni nim de ne nyansa nti akwete se de party no sabio obi ne bi enko na senka Bawumia te se Kennedy Agyapong a nka MPP party atitim ama obi adre de konfie na so Bawumia nyansa abu ni so Bawumia nimdi abu ni so ntino no matter whatever Kennedy Agyapong will do papa will be find an intelligent and a comic way to show maturity to Kennedy Agyapong every time. That be a Kennedy Agyapong be cancel for the actual papa way piano. This man will find a way to address this issue in a funny or in a very responsible answer. Ebien oye we say obi abegyina bonten ka kire wiase amansa nyina so ye trofo na asem na o ka na enye nokre second Agyapong na asem bi sei ye ka fa ne ho a enkaje sa Jezira na nka be kokka sa asem no. But look at the demeanor Dr. Bawumia responded to Kennedy Agyapong. Let's listen to this video.
Now saying a few days ago na yeti anoma bi ebe kan kire say 2 weeks here akai say ye ko election omo the strategy bi eba omo ne ye nkrofo ye bi omo se omo be didi matem sa omo be twantro egu mi so 2 weeks na wachi mi enu a ebe enti mo nyina mo nye alert mo beti nsem bebre enye no kre omo pese omo susa mo adwen omo be didi matem sa amamo mfi omo mongo na mongo to abano emami enya sa mongo Amonkoto abano. Mami. We are yekui enye atem DDA competition na yeko. Omo say omunim say omo campaign no tonsuyum. Enti omo say if you miss the ball, don't miss the man. And enti na omo de atem DDA eba me hono. Mesome ifi omo be focus akodi inkunim January 31st 2026. Na Osha asema unka yempo omude beshe wenum edidi watem so aka se uye kweshini we mu nyina ade a omo beye mesume ifi omo.
Yes, enti so here Dr. Bawumia kwanya ofa so address Kennedy Agyapong after odidi na atem e kire wo se Bawumia ye obi a na twene da ne team no e beyond sir. It's far beyond that. Neman kitten kwasia buffo ne agitation be a nyansa name. The man means business. He actually means business, and he's doing business. Are you ready to rule, to lead? Yes, panini mante. I say mente. And yes, a panini te the echo. Panini te the echo. Nambo panini te asema or tenase. At the two tables, so at digesting ye and so can be our cubby. Now, or can be so or journey at Nasifa Yansa Quine so, in who quine was some fasun cubby. Said the bayer and cofa hauma because panini and the cantom a boom, madam, a two san sub, sane kro. And this a we leader. Akura ketwa kura timi ba wanim be ka kire say na what you listen to this. Papa ye fro Kennedy Agyapong 2023 oko stande say you want to show down Akufo-Addo ebe ye en kan say mantra e wo Ghana maimu show down when all this word na ba ye be ye more famous now. Obi a wo se obe contest for the MPP flag bearership contest, no. Every constituency, every police station bia na wo agent or agent no gina ho at the mount so be control who Papa Kennedy Agyapong vote wa ubenya. Ya to abana wie wo agent ana mu gina constituencies e wo Ghana nyina obia ni ho ba won chen be kan say papa yi eha unya numbers na yanye de yankan amount ema wan kasa utumi nanti begina platform so e de bie wa no kan say the elections were free and fair, and for that matter you're going to do whatever you can to support so that the party can win power in 2024. Who can Agyapong obeka as same way? Because you believe you say, kwanya ofaso kasa de unsasi upo. So with the party ni ya would dear invisible force, why na command enti enim say would dear. Say a case of copy agent man me provide protection emfa ballot box and also ballot papers. Nobody should doubt about you. But Papa Panini way, after what admitted, said the elections were free and fair. Why we no I see a campaign platform, so I campaign the ama Dr. Bawumia. I will kwambi so. Or your campaign or kwambi so the Dr. Bawumia. Ani so adi hunu no. Na yakoye election na yawe, MPP phone na yawe. Uko Northern Regional. Utumi ko jina homa akwa bi di adie bi bekire wo so ono to abama wo ena yankan na wo papa wo di aya asem o ka wo di aya asem o ka wo nam a wo ka se ye to abama ba bi na yankan ama. But the first question that I want to ask in the Agyapong say sa constituency in question no why na na ye wo agent na jina ballot box no ho say who was there standing for you? why no tia na kasa unko na ballot box ho na making sure say the ebeto ama obi an ebeka ama sa agent no and am mekan during the after the election say yes sisiru electoral commission ano wo ho anhu bibia wa ankasa wo supporters obi anhu hwe. But after 2 years of that election, Papa Panyin te say wa ope baby a esom boy ente say ejina. Utumi ma young boy ebe dada. Ebe ka kire say me koto abama na yankan na wo so wagye adi. Ede ko MPP headquarters e ko prevent nchire mu. Ken sa asem no ye bogus. Eya sembia sabi onipa o ka kire wo o pe bibi na edi afiri ho. A very bogus statement. A very bogus. Say wabu na nipa na otua ne sika so nko gina ho no hwe de ebeto ama no. Fre na bisa ne se eba ne sen ena yeto abama me a ye kan a yankan ama me a wo nso na mesiko gina ho as my agent wan ka hwe ankyere me. Wan tumi ankobisa agent ne sa asem no na mmom no wonam na wode ye bibi. Bear in mind say sa akwa na obegina ho a na oye sa ade no ubekom no no sanso ye den eye Bawumia nipa opesika die fra akwa no ho no and okoye ne sa because Kennedy there your friend papa makoma ehye me na me the most pampered man me de men camera wo men kanyansa o me de buga ni de ni atemudie and I me de obtain everything that I need. Na papa panyin ante se utumi tra ma akora keto we e the picture be kire wo na wa confuse you. Now the whole system who put you down to protect your vote no. Nipa ba ko voting be kan sem chona why then what forget about any planner or settle here to protect your vote. What this own what just say what declare say one kasampo no one to me anhyehyɛ ne yie sɛ vote a ubenya no ebetumi akan ama wo ɛna ma de akora bi de be kyerɛ wo na wo person ka kyerɛ me MPP ni e meto abama wo na ko gyina te sɛ flag bearer na ye ne NDC form fan kosi so na internal election mpo na wantumi am protect o ballot box ɛne o vote ye vote mawa na ne ko ba ne sɛ ne NDC fo atwede a ne sɛ na yayira but papa we enwini sa ne ma we num nyina honhu sɛ da bi asɛm we me kan be ha me oba abonto na oka entro ye di kyire nyina na ofa wanhu na ano de omode ye no na ano na kwada bi ne koka kyire ne sɛ omra meka sɛ Dr. Bawumia se adubu ahyan contest akora ne koka kyire no those guys omudi na kyire Jimmy fo ni binom ene koka sansem fo no kyire no ene ode be gyina ho a who deep the former the immediate past vice president who did not attempt one kasa party vice president one kasa party flag bearer one kasa any power year juma man for more than 16 years so be vice president and ni brani akohwienti utumi fa camera si wanim edidi papa na tem abra asem na wo kan nye nokore na sabio yesi wo ye Mr. No Nonsense almost say any nti enkoto abama because you Mr. No Nonsense no wo Mr. No Nonsense nti asem na wote ye no wan kopa ntie no wan kasa wasom wo sori ya no betra bonten ena wudwa wanum ena odidi atem ene wa wi ye na hyase a eba because yes se wujira dware ye dware na se bodam ni ebeyi wo ntoma a wode ahyɛ adware no kwaya no a ento America ni na chi because otu America di na chi a wo kura no chen bodam fo no na odwene se Dr. Bawumia eba bedi wachi wa atem didiem da bio ono oni adaje ono obedidi atem o oni adaje wo ho na no bra champion so wo mantamo te so odwan bra champion so wa no edro Dr. Bawumia de wo hu su no ban yo Dr. Lahaji Muhammad Bawumia has actually understand who you are. And you're non-co. The elders in the party, a lot of them, among with the character of that man. Now, mark this thing on a wall where water does not touch us. After 31st January, NPP will have a kind of revolution internally. Because their conduct, their attitude, their manner, quite almost first or Mukasafa party, among some fatasa or Bakes or Muya party, among some fata. Some makes a lot of ridiculous statement against their own party. Ebine Abwa Papon, Ebine Kennedy Agyapong, Ebine Kwasi Kwate, Ebine Papa Bear see a friend Fripom Boate, or also Papa Panini Jimmy, where Jimmy say, Jimmy sa political party appointment as a minister ever in your life. Jimmy. There's a microphone almost support to Kennedy there. Panini be any more oye yansafo. I Jimmy 4 doors on rough. Papa kwesi boate from pom boating. Papa wo ye se wo na wo ya akoma ho adwuma wo se kwale bu he phone. Congratulations, you've done a lot of things. But say yes nyansan ko fie nyansan ko ni school nyansan ko ampa. Jimmy wo nipa political party and then a man a minister for first time in your life. Political party or no a man a minister for your first time in your life. One to me and defend your party. A woman now trend throw. At the qua bontin same from good party and him say, I didn't hear Yamawudi minister only for 4 years or more than me. I'm a dear and na anu ye bisa say wo constituency a wo to aba ne de wo hia papa ni nimba bi wo to aba kese on to aba da only constituency on the musa abakra on to be ye bisa ne say ntu to aba 2024 say wan to aba be sam kwase ampanyin we ya so be sam be dan ne ho aba ka tro say Dr. Bawumia ntia amanfo ankwa ankoto aba na wo MPP ni ana wo tifie enam Kennedy Agyapong nti ankwa ankoto aba no. Why are you expecting saying MPP win? Abra will wait the ministerial position and MPP. If you did not benefit from MPP, then who else benefited from the MPP? Hypocritical old men. Omu ye hypocrites. Omu enyini. Besebio bibi how man for no buru madwene. What you tell me ye pa? Sa papa from Pomboate and say MPP had a humiliated defeat. Ayen wonwa. Honestly, ayen wonwa. Say MPP enya sa defeat no. Ye bisa ne so okoto aba se da bi wan koto aba. Me hwe na me se hwe odwan. Odwan Jojo papa. Odwan. Wan koto aba mfa ma party. You don't just a one ferry mpo so beka no wanum. Obi a wadi minister under that party. One ferry so beka no wanum. Who catch the nipadom say wan koto aba. And it's like you are happy for not going there to vote. Papa Ferry why? Ferry pa. Now we soon buy and send for town. Anya he monum dear. Okay, you were supposed to honor the MPP because MPP made you people better. What the minister paying? What the minister anya for 4 years? What to about say man to about? Who constituency he found you him. But that person called himself an MPP member. There be a MPP member. He classified himself as MPP senior member. But no one has ever power with the Kennedy Agyapong. They all have a kind of hatred mentality. Just say, I dear be a how long a woman. Fripon Boatin and say a man and the minister for 80 good years. But Sani Pakrona, so now he was shouting reshuffle. He called reshuffle wafa the personal. Abodam nkamesi eni nkoyi ni mfire adwuma. reshuffle. Yeah, reshuffle ne bia toa. Usu. Hopes na doye ne style ne bia. Aye, Mr. Hopes kwasi ampanyi na doye ne style na bia. Munya reshuffle. Yeah, reshuffle ne bia ba betoa. Uhuru ye watwa. Adanya osi yama onsa. Yama wajuma bo. Hopes na reshuffle na wotie mu no. Hwan na nka ye mfa ne nya reshuffle mese. Anamini. Ana odi onye nipa. Odi eyi wadi na di nipa foforo ba enye ye. Enti ye wa abodamfo bi no ho mo fra party no. Omo de omo ho abegigi party no mu a we have to get them rid of the party or say yem pam omo nyina na omo nko. Na funka babies, funka ladies da your phone dey. Rollins yere na najman kuna do Rollins. Omo na omo di omo moja itutwa omo nsa ho di moja so paper so. Omo na omo di nsi kan sam kase de TNDC amanyoku. Omo na a supervisor the killing of many people, judges na hwan and so omo timi form the PNDC and then the NDC. Sama amena kurate ne ho efri NDC amanyoku ekote fonka ladies. Aye, also say PNDC, you say DMPC, you say PNC. I don't remember the name. But NDC angu. And it is the same thing. They say a man for mobile joining MPP later now. Or believe say their personal interest, no, is superior than the ideology behind the MPP. No. All those people must to get out of the party. 31st December, massive clean up. Party nako. The UP tradition can never be underestimated by any of you. A history. It is part of the Ghana political history. It is part of the best type of a political party and governance. Ghana, or minor Ghana 1992 constitution. That is the one of the best political party of lead the country. So it's part of the history. And people, generations and generations will still fall attractive to that party. And the Nkrofona, Omayo Omoho, Sabio, Kwasiko Zone 9 Egu, Abontreno, Sankrofono. We have to get rid of them. Ebini Kennedy Agyapong, Ebino Usbampa Boapapo, Ebina Lestete, Ebine, what is the name? Don't never let that man come. Na papa we party makwa jina ambazi American ambazi say yemfa kinofodia tamra Ghana. Hey Hobson, onsa yesin sa mo aduane di no eya manka da achibi Hobson, you are going to ask to answer all this type of evil conduct who showcase over there. Yankwa, only wadam fukene de Japan. You have to answer this way of treating MPP. Kwa amafaswa, mo pese mon say mungu MPP amanyuko na ni masano. Mesi se nipa da sani misamo Yankopon hata so be bisamo one day. Who hope said, "O anya MPP anka wona hwan? You a simple teacher. MPP na mo wonya babi gina ye. Na wo adwene na da wutim no, eti said ye enti wonya sika no eto e na okohu ye. Eto na enofo e na okohu si ho. E na onam ho etwa fa ho. No one that send me show video bi. Aye. Video me show no bi a ho bi a ho. Enti we nipa ni bi no mo ho a, we must to get rid of them. Anybody take in the Agyapong. So one permanent free party num, and as a 1 to a bent Tianamana and Yaba is 17% to be. Now one thing wants to say he's nobody in the party. That man will always and always disturb the growth of this party because he believes that the party is his own. What didn't trache? What good party nani masiache? A brother say was a nipan to mean sorry cananim enka no couldn't fancy the names of papa. Ye, why you be a traso? And young Kwana was it, and young Kwana water chilama, and young Kwana the old ring in our Sanka, and young Kwana pipi by young Fonkonkusi heaven. And you won't kwana now your contractor, when Sanka contractor now we a year so. And yes, I saw near Manako, because it's our molly for Namonco. Namonco a bro party now so better. Sani problem at Sano. I was seeing to me kata ye nimun kano kuresa anchirano. Na yanka because you're a JFK. You're a JFK. Are you full beneficiary of Kennedy Japan finance? JF Konenam Hono, Ninsasha Kennedy Japan bottom. JF Konenam Hono, and Namono ne soon tia Kennedy Japan ye campaign. Organize ye. Kwaya be first so you be to John Bodu as a general secretary and your man JFK buyer. And then I JFK tia kunyasui. And I'm second Japan and then better now hontino. JFK can atum and a Kennedy Japan yet your PBA or party no. JFK can atum wadani mum on kasa and I don't know kasa or see the spiritual realms and the mayelusu aba. Boss no nama na auto MPP negatively ede magana man one hu onam se MPP fo wi asika te se de ochena bi ni ho no OGF ko si one hu onam o kan kire Ghana for say Dr. Bawumia so man 800 million abra na manfo pension ye twitwa so e wo bank eno wo si one hu abra onam o no kan kire say manfo akototo edan wa amanone ye de Ghana sika kototo dan wa amanone all can want Abra no catch Ghana for some people for a ton slot of employment, you know. All catch Ghana for no so want. And no catch them say, a home assem ne may lose election. Home bay. Home bay. Can a chronic say, Woro, but be when you do no, on sa eshe, papa and the bottom. Whom to me count home, and in tia, I'm a wire said the wire no. Nanke ebeye hu beye nwa se obi betumi atena party na ono ankasa ebedi party na nie di party na nie di party na tem aka de onim di ato party no ho na party no mpanfo mfre no nka hwe nkyere no na owo akwanya guso enso mpono sanso di sabio obebisa niema demand de ba party no papa when am ne sunti promise boat 31 January yento Wa want to be Uncle Ghana so Kotoba delegate out here, Bruce. I want to mean Kasika, and I want to mean free day. A word Jumam Uncle Fianco Tuabano, Kennedy Japan, Untumen Tuaba man in a year. Because Osodi Jina Hokiti say, on Tiasiamayan to promise vote, I didn't say the last election will be to abandon 200 times. Now, Nipadim contempo at say. Ose party ni wia na wasene twam kontompo to party so na party from pain for so et hoitie no na omo ama na kwanya se okay sa na wo ka dia promise vote yento enti MPP delegate otia brochira otwa ne duty otwa ne duty as a party member as a delegate no enam kene Japan ne niam a oyenti no the only document deciding a right, you know, for the party, you know, and I'm in Japan to more season, so to me, I'm a tuaba. I didn't tell Can Japan, I didn't try to say, a nipper bloom got to about 200 times. More man on Chile, constituency could got to about 200 times. More man and can't chill. More man and Chile, Baby Potia, yet to about 200 times. So, and I'm saying, JF get to her. Na Kennedy na didn't better so as a secretary intino. On carry, on contested Kennedy can't say more misano question. Kennedy can't say more misano hurry. No answer some Kennedy can be a yes, a massa. But see, after this election, we will make sure say we will make a radical changes in the party leadership. All what we need and say, you would about me with about 75%. Or we are going to make some radical changes in the leadership position of this party, and the party will come back to be what it was before 2016. Yen to me, can say hypocritical human beings, binom enante and from Mosem pay for. Yen to me, say na nipa bi na omonwene da wo mo abrabom so mo di president esori one day so be di president na or say your party because of what? Because he don't want to get arrested by the NDC, because he want to get his money from the NDC. But Dr. Bawumia has always been on his toe to tell the MPP delegates, he said, MPP belongs to a kind of ideology. You're communist party. You're left or central left. And you're extreme left. We are right. You can consider as a central right. NTMPP, the manner of governance, it is to give the people the power to develop themselves and create employment for the others. NTMPP amanyoko there. Enya manyoko a believe in state entities say abayin ne be bie nyuma ma amanfo anya biaye. We are not communist. So Dr. Bawumia is painting the colors of the MPP on the messages are ordinary. But you tell me pa message na Dr. Bawumia de na ma ode hwehwe sabio franka tu ni bread gina breno. Eye nsema se o MPP amanyoko na asiye na onim adwene ene adwen so no ko MPP ni bia edi akira de Bawumia ka no ene na ye MPP amanyoko no ye kola pa human development, empowering the people, making society secure, security. And you may be enyuma, and I'm a be enyuma, and I may be enyuma, and so what? And so what? Say MPP for we are MPP for a reason. Political party be any we are ending a person, ending their own ideology. MPP ni, are we you pini? Are we righteous? Who to me go get your person yet is a Kwame Nkrumah? Oh yare. What about them? What about them? It's a complete confusion. Complete confusion about Panay. Papa ya yesa me na me no kasei. Kwabena je Agyapong wadwa. Bra champo wadwa. Ya wadu twim kra na sabi ono de last game. Aye. Aba fresh. Kwabena je Agyapong kra last camp. Latest one kra no. Wama papa yedwa. Because of how can Agyapong and his people keep on disrespecting a party called MPP? That will be one who be a Nankwashaki Kankwa. Nasani and Nipa, a transit. Tiasama Cobra Agyapong can.
Then we have to call the bluff of Kennedy Agyapong. We studio, I mean, no one can be that. Yeah. Now, me and I mean, to say, young dream. Ni assign IMF beko kukutwetwe ti ni assign our debt ra sa kasa no emfata no nyai e ade a waya na obi en kan hwe nti da bia no okoso ye me so the time bia no kan bibi na nya. I try to correct him because I'm a custodian of the history of our party. Yeah, me ntra mo bi me good party no ntia asema o kan num say nya no kre enso wo kan ade a no complain about clause next say ye to abana eso accept it is there. Oh cousin say one person sign because e be an esisiu ena chairman no kase entina ya nsise during the presidential process. One say kase me agent will be a print ballot. Yeah, enti wo agents eso we also appointed 2 agents for every polling station. Omo enti na saying be a say obati say o say onya 114 or 104 and 14 none the agent or where is the document to prove what he said? Where is the document to prove what he said? Enti obia ope explosive talk no obia nkan hwe sa na obegina television so twa to me kwabena Japan so say me ma kukum Adams or Tamale and I'm ready. Yeah. Wa me su enyi ni glasses.
Mary so what you Kennedy Japan has made people get fed up. Now may I make myself after 31st. Papa na yama manfo adwa because a nipani binim sacrificer omo make to make this party get to where it is today. And listen to how Kwabena Japan is talking. Kwabena Japan you be obeti so kasa say he always get you can say diplomatic way of addressing his issues. But Kennedy Japan the Sashi show when you know moving him to the point to say even Kwabena Japan can no longer hold you anymore. Ade. Dear now, what are you actually after? What do you actually need from the MPP? Tell us, we will give you. Important is you shut up. We cannot accept this. Say every double second Japan kasa biano na yentokwa. Or the Shase Akufo-Addo will give you showdown. From that time up to today, anywhere can Japan represent himself among the elders of the party, that man will find a way to disgrace the party. He will always want to bring shame to the party. Anytime this man has meet with the elders of the party piano, he brings shame. He call Congress. Okudin semfo de ponko ne baye. Yeni baye ho so na ne nkrofo stika Jimmy for no enam. Omone gate for no security men na ekon se omoso ompese omungura VIP side. Yefro se ekọ thank you to. Yeti ye na oni amanfo e bo atwede. Diembiem. Ye kan ye druba bi kura si Dr. Bawumia nkrofo akukum obi. Eno so na ye no kure. Na anu de ye nkunenko sign peace part we so a eno so another disgrace to the party. Ama osi amanfo person momfa de bi nhyew. Nhyew wani ase. Anim go ase sa. Why yama nipa ni nyina adwa. Na anu de brachempo so de kura wan chichiro te se ponko a nka de be sinye. Video no ne. Brachempo se na wadane ponko. So ampa homa bi amfa nchichire wa nka de obema na si wo yina so no nkanya de ketwa. These things should be Canada Japan should be ashamed of all this way or conduct on the home. Quiet Canada Japan first or conduct on the home during this campaign. No, time. Listen to what Brachempo said. Say one man time what to say a boy nkadi besi wo hono nyefati.
Kwanu was through and Raya signing peace pact. Onyankopon na di me kopie number 2 ho a meti number 1 ne number 3 ne ntam. Menim se mo he TV na mama ntam number 1 na akadi besi wo dem wanra no.
Yo, o se wa man tam na. Eta ye man tam nipa. Enipa da se ye man tam no. Enipa da se ye man tam no. Na nka na nye presidential candidate na nka wo se enipa kuratim bi na no ka se man tam na. But because of how you are disgracing yourself, Obia can be chiro. But look at how Bawumia is being managed. When they are talking about Dr. Bawumia, they don't know how even to insult Bawumia because they know, say, Bawumia is somebody that you can't find things against him unless you want to create. But what they can, you bet to me, can hold some science and one cassa or colleague say what done on one boy, ya mantam wa, what tip precat is a preco. Mia Kwajo Abrefam Mwakawapa, Momenti. Listen to what Brachempo is saying.
Into Kwanu was through and Raya signing peace pact. Onyankopon na di me kopie number 2 ho a mete number 1 ne number 3 ne ntam menim sɛ mo hwɛ TV na mama ntam number 1 na akade ebesi wɔ dam hɔ no enya asɛm ketewa menim sɛ mo hwɛ ya mama ntam number 1 no pa sɛ ujafo ti wanim na ode sere kakra na aha ne yɛba bɛyɛ nkabom ana mewa aha nkabom ne ha na ɛhyɛ ase na wanim a ode bɛyɛ nkabom ne enya asɛm ketewa problem wɔ yamanyukuo num mo de mo amonkɔhwɛ videos no me bɔ mɔden ma number 1 no afɛdeɛ ne kra ba ne ho a ɔseresere kakra number 3 no so de ahyɛ mu partyfoɔ no ani nye saa nneɛma no mehyɛ mo bɔ mebɛhyɛ mo bɔ no mesan hyɛ mo bɔ wɔ ha bio 1st February yɛto aba ne wie 31st a 1st February yɛde discipline ɛbɛba yamanyukuo we will restore discipline in our party kwan biara so na mekɔ Ghana no so mehu sɛ partyfoɔ no as obi adi omusika.
We can't wait to see this. That discipline na yɛhwehwɛ ɛyɛ discipline ateatea mu discipline no bio yɛka discipline a ɛyɛ well planned documented discipline a wopɛwo ɛma wodi line so te sɛ dɛ ɔmode mmara ɛtekyerɛ aburukyire no wobu mmara no so a wode ɔpa busu na wo sɛ yɛankyɛw nyantobase it is coming to you. That is the discipline that we need in the party. Yebetumi hold some people from getting into that kind of a stupid behavior all towards the party just to destroy the party. You want discipline a line up every party member to be a loyal member. Nenye ene a family team or haya na makapa ma party no china ebufa mu haya na meka de mepe. Why am a man for yenedwa? Me say na po nkurampo na po indirectly na po too has said his mind to Kennedy Agyapong. Na po ankwa no so mpeso be kan se me be ha Kennedy Agyapong da. Kennedy na waya ma na pompo anya bi ka kiro. Listen to what na po said.
Kukuru. Menshia South for. Most smart me call Parliament 2008. You call Sa Abatu Nimno. Now you're running mate and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 2008. Musi Meso Mame call 2012. 2012 near running mate. No, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Musi Meso Emma Meko 2016. 2016 near running mate. The Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Musi Meso Mameko 2020. 2020 campaign near running mate. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. You are fruit, you are pa. With you, you are fruit, you are pa the end. No, what do you over time and share and walk try to boot and what do you mention for Yabat one cotono? I say walk to cake near the ice in Gusu. Ice Nimuswa cake near there. Ice in the Guswana, the nice are you for cake neither. Fair. Maybe that but one night when she are for betono. Icing and your good cake so. It's a Yamia day when she had Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia day. 2010. Now that friend we say go here me campaign manager. Me catch and meet me yet. Also at me say na buy him no campaign him no me play vital role. Vital role in the say or you am a director of elections for 2012 campaign. I want you to share pink sheet as First time my MPP 40 P seat as here 2012. Adwumaden na yeye no e ba say ye panyansani am na kwotena court ye nya obi ase Dr. Mahmood Bawumia utio se u kokota enye wa beti na adiko u kokota enye osika na adiko u kokota enye anoya na adiko efri se ase educate ado fu se na anoya ase awifuo dunso okwotena court wentimi enyi ano beboa ukokota upede na adwum ye den edo eduru se upede na adwum ye do amana kwotena court num no ya mfami na pa me director of elections so ye for nyansafo Dr. Mahmood Bawumia ye court no ye nya ye hui court ye court 2012 no kosi 2013 no ema 2016 agbani ye den Coco crab because you did that horse mampam. They were and then you adum ye ba bam. Yebeka Napo ye free SHS or so we do so. But metina cabinet and fien son fa. Metina cabinet to ensure in fien son and fa. Omo Dr. Mahmood Bawumia jeni nyina me ni obi aye adwuma me ni obi atena. Ye pe ohina ye opohina wo nyansa. Ya po hiro onim die ya po hiro onim kasa woni pem se ya po obi anu ho ade a ya de bekọ akọmu ana kontire no akọkọ ntọkọ ama e bebo a uyi oman hina onkasa de na bati soso onkasa de na no ya be mna ya de chia me e na onkasa de Oscar me na ko yesa na no akọ hye sika so bebo a upo hiria upo bi obre ne ho ase opakasa de na no edu na dwimu abie etimi me ka sha me ame ho sa papa we ni president me nyina election se ko president di da Ghana ha e say de fata no on ya de ma no na ka ubo maka ya ko bujire dia anka ye kokokra nyansa ni e padam na ko gina di mu na wade Ghana akọ nanim no and Dr. Mahmood Bawumia every say me ma Agyapong prempe me say cabinet say enfien son and fa edu ba bi kra de na o twe bia na the policy ba akọ parliament cabinet o afa me ko ya no for mo breme me nhu nyansafo a o cabinet wa sebi na na dwimu do Dr. Mahmood Bawumia na sebu yi sa di pa we si che na de nyame ya chemu nyina why running mate 16 years why vice president muntie enye obi bi ni obi bi de why ni ye papa why MPP ye ose ofata na me se me da me chef for me sremo my chef for me semo sebusi me so esi me so emprenum moya mami emprenum moto me so aba emprenum ni nyina mu yi me emprenum afena Dr. Bawumia was starting say you didn't go 2028 me say nyame de tumi ne be dey obama ye nwe 2028 ye 2028 ye dey call 2032 because nyame aye dey we share no 2032 and 32 and 2028 you know never start na 2032 why dey nyame ase share no na afei ya be Ghana for the aka no ya perfofo am na ye dey ba be di na chi etwe ba ha be pamacho se mo obi fa sika na adam e se sa sika no etimi nhwa boda bia sa sika na nkofo se omde ma mo no anya so obi de krata abrewa monkai piram e ba gigi sika e de krata ma ye nya sika ne bio da bi monhwe de onya ketua ode mo cheye no onunya kese obede obe mamu bi na mbebenda monfo to aba no na menhia be se dey memenda ya to menhia Dr. Mahmood Bawumia awie nu wie a de ka ho no na ya hwe omomo ka ho no na ya hwe de ye de be yomu nyame nhia menhia fo nyina edamasa
Yes, so who papa na ya ma sese sabi nipa na omo dono mpo no bebre no they cannot hold the water anymore. The water can the no they kind of say fire can never cool. Papa ne de nsa hyehyɛ amanfoɔ hwene maama mpanyinfoɔ mu di party na nimu nyinaa nɛ obi adwa papa no because of his conduct. And the behavior is so much. Napo na ekasa no. Napo ni body power no e bukusu atafre. Napo oye Kennedy Agyapong body pa. But ti asema na napo eka no na fa kwa adwene. Ebu be ye ka asem wo nyansafo ekwanso. Ye ka de asie ba bi ma wate ase yi. Aden, what do you actually need from the MPP? And Crofoni big social media no so they talk for you because Omunim say there were a nipa binom MPP party ne ma bebre frustrated. Abrochire kro omote kra no mo frustrated. Enti omodo omuhunu say enipa bi a waye yie bia no sa nipa no enam sa nipa na waye yie no so ene nti ono no nye yie enti se wo se wo da Bawumia sabio wabɔ ne bra na ne ho tɔ na ne ho ye yahi enti yempam no mfuro na nipa foforo mra by force ene binom so ti social media no so omunim se Kennedy Agyapong krɔfo omo di Kennedy achi no unya kese wo kasa ma Kennedy Agyapong a o channel or page, because they will come in numbers. That is what they are doing. The omo yeni no, it is just for numbers. And you see no more free YouTube and Facebook. And because of passion. So Mujitum Kennedy Agyapong a solution to our problems. That be it is just an issue of money. And I hear na more kagum and I was so timu ya wo de na wo piaso na wo say party no. Now Dabia, I will also say this one today and I will say it again before 31st. After 31st, I will reveal the secret to everyone. And when I'm saying Kennedy Agyapong has actually fooled himself. What sell no ankasa ne ho? What sell no ankasa ni position? What sell no ankasa the prosperity and cobetumenya or politics in any future were destroyed with his own hands. Was sending him because of too much bitter. Kobe J, the Mwakoba ye pa, Kobe Jima, Mwakoba pa. Ono Ankasa was saying a personal, a brighter future beyond cobetumenya or party no. Second Agyapong very serious in politics. In Bawumia would have been let to go unopposed. So you can see Dr. Bawumia go unopposed, but Agyapong wouldn't have contest. Let me tell you the truth. But Agyapong wouldn't have contest. Yawaduchi wouldn't have contest. Sanso Nanka, your friend say, he wouldn't have contest. Contest na manfo binomo ye ni bebre ni nyina ye hinsem bia nipa binomo ye. Why? Eni baba akufo da bia wudin e na yebepo. Just because you are better, just because you are angry, just because you feel say you deserve something. The bambi people dey yama wunyina. But we thank God and I make a program na se meka ye no. Ye da Nyankopon say Dr. Bawumia masses no ekura no. Onye tweka. Onye yen kan say onye dede nipa. Ti se Kennedy Agyapong. Se nka Dr. Bawumia ti se Kennedy Agyapong an kan pipi gu yen ne. Se Dr. Bawumia you obi oye no hu dede nipa an kan pipi gu ya che. Be da Nyankopon say Dr. Bawumia ye intelligent, no ye emotionally capable of controlling his emotions. Na watumi atami cool. Na dia papa ye nyina no wayi na ni tse di hon tewe. Nyesa anka party no nka tete ya che. Yankopon e dana se. Enti delegate Dr. Bawumia the person that represent the ideology IDMPP achi. Dr. Bawumia ono na ehye bose oba, he is coming to do whatever he can to make sure say the grassroots of the party no delegates area putting station coordinators, regional executive, district executive, and more makanyina no obefa kwam bi so aka nipa bom na ya build the party from the grasses na dia kosoro we na ye hwehwe enye promise o me ba bebi enyuma. That is non go there. We don't care. And people for this time, we don't care about baby enyuma. We care about who can build the party back to win power 2028. And then the here. Now you can pass up campaign. NDC ni MPP ni Dr. Bawumia master. NDC is afraid of Dr. Bawumia already. So what are we waiting for? That is Saturday we are by. Mumayan tuaba pa. Ni fancy yura. Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia Animonyam. Na osefata. Ebrene dru ne so. Wa ye adwuma wo party num wasom wasua amamuo wasua amanyo. Wafa all the cycles of the politicism adruse obenya the full authority to command and to lead the country into a better place. Meeting any Mr. Manfo ha Ras Media GH. Dr. Bawumia campaign also no ye wo momo number Ghana utumi a support with any amount of money. Would you say ye wa ho de kitao. Number is 0245016711. Etine no ye Isaac Boache. Sika bia obetumi e dia support Dr. Bawumia bia no betumi asende e dia koma saa number ye iguase hoyi e wo Ghana. O America nso na America ho ano ai ubetumi asende number dia koma 0 on 0201-744-3036. Etine beba yiniti aboaje. O sende koma na we take screenshot. Now we forward their brain. Say the beya to me aye accountability at the actual babushia meeting any Mr. Manfo Ras Media. On subscribe or ya subscribe. But more than so like video way. Now found associate doman say they am a life brebiana. I knew you could be Jim. I say good evening Ras. Long time no see. Trust me, Agyapong is nastis and nachistis for real. Nachista. And I'm working in the okay. Yama miajwa, ya chiao pa, miajwa so ame chiao. Me ya kwa job brief, or say hi bro, good work, God bless you, keep it up. Pima Vivian Kuma wasresa, yemia or say Anthony say hi. Nema Vivian Kuma or sresa. Yemia David, a chumboro, and a Erika Dunsia, I, insia to say, and a Salawu Idrisu, tough guy junior, Nana Boachi ya don't kiss me. And so ewo ye back or ye pa busia ye beda mu nyina ase na ya da mo ase pa ene mo breka kra mo ne yen ebeche ye ebe so say channel no Franco fi won so me cha ye pa o say it is possible inshallah. Greetings to you Miriam brother Frank Kofi me cha ye pa massive greetings to you. Enti abusia for ye be kan sa I nana te kwabra o say Dr. Bawumia amen. Dr. Bawumia 100% amen. 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 Not take kwabena. Abusia, meaning if someone wants to call, let me put this number here. You can also call and share your ideas. Intentem.
We have to call the bluff of Kennedy Agyapong. We studio have no one can be that. Yeah. Na me ya na me pese to say say yan hwem. Yan him ni assign IMF beko kukutwetwe ti ni assign our debt ra sa kasa no emfata no nyai ade a waya na obi en kan hwe nti da bia no okoso ye Mr. De Tembiano can be I tried to correct him because I'm a custodian of the history of our party.
Yeah.
Me Trump will be a good party in here. I said, "I'll come and say no cray." And so, okay. I dare no complain about clause next. Say, "You're too abana, so accept it." Is there? Oh, cousin, I say, "One person sign because it be an issue." And chairman, no cousin. And Tina Yayan, she said during the presidential process. One, she said, "Cause Mimi agent will be a print ballot."
Yeah.
And what's agents? That's all. We also appointed 2 agents for every polling station. Or more. And I'm saying, be a saying, but you say, or say, 114 or 104 and 114. None the agent or whatever. Where is the document to prove what he said? Where is the document to prove what he said? And the Oyobia. Ope explosive talk no be enkan hwe sa na obegina television so twa atro to me kwabena Agyapong so say me makokum Adams or Tamale and I'm ready
yeah
wa mesu anyi ni glasses
Mary aha ndi so hu adim kwase na hyase ba where abusem so bia ye ready so befre enti me dem besi ana Yankopong eye adoma ochira ye wo show bi ochira I have an interview on this platform at exactly 8:30 p.m. Italian time. But will be free. I'm in Fakowe. Hello. Hello. Aja, yabo akwaba. Pacho me hoye pa na ozo and yes, I'm a tone cancer pa. Yeah, and should I stable, of course, yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I say, oh yeah, elder of the party. Yeah. What I say, and so but Dr. Bawumia and their party, you can't significant people are all party in this year. 3 significant people are all party in this year. You be your man penning for near Nana Ado. Neoba next, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Yes,
because Yamin Fanny Crazy, Alaji Ali Mahama it's no more with the party. It's after but Dr. Bawumia and son Obi or baby Abba. Even po say Ochina knock on wood. So when we need us a cabinet, I think that the honor due to him as an elder of the party, no, yeah, the Berman as a former vice president, a statesman, of course, and a party nititini and as a party new named before. Now then, I be not Moody Papa, no person Moody Papa in a form, and I am Pene, Anna, I don't know, I didn't ban a beam, yes, I need my Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia advantage over other aspirants. So what I say, in Tisadi and by our Muji Tumuno, and African in Japan, Benya edge, the are not all poking penny for an so no pushing penny for. Why is it always about you? Why is it always about your selfish interest? Why is it always about you? And I don't blame him, I don't doubt him, because as he said, the people who are following him, no, they are all like, excuse my language, they are all fucking crazy like him. Jimmy to so because they don't want to read. They obi to say classical example to say phobia member. People who be not there to no can on tia simple on kanye. Say and I can Japan say and I say as I'm kola be add degrading MPP party from the philosophy what the prestigious MPP party are Kutano ababisi ene. So we are seeing say we are right here. Ras baby I'll be could be America Hamiti. Although men supported Papaya obey a president on us or man penny were handed. Me a righty. Because if you know the America had say, of course, obviously, my ideology need to say Republicans and ideology what had say. Into there's no way America say me a Democrat what America had say. So because me a politics what had say. So also not me call a friend and saying Londoner. Sanity a conservative, any labor. I can be a labor. I am a conservative.
Of course.
Even like that's how the ideology is. But Obi Babe Dimu party anymore. Somebody want to be the spearhead of the party. Somebody want to be the head of the party. Or Jinabo think I say Onu Oba. He's not going to go with the ideology of the party. I say Omu a righty. Almost for the people like party like almost empower party in finance almost empower the people but ono say or Baba Bayen who is a Kwame Nkrumah and you guys make this person go through vetting say obey me about the party name and a party no na baby diga. So as I said I don't know say if you quite remember I want to say Rollins say NPP party has been the same since the UGCC ABCN. The only thing that changes is their name. But our ideology, any BBR, the same. It's in from like educated elites.
Yes.
Now make a watch as a ras.
Feel comment.
Hello?
Ajametonka.
Ras.
Hey, Ajamo Hometonka pa, Kasa.
Ras.
Kasa.
Ras, to tell me.
Metonka pa. But they be a make a say, my bet metonka. Kasa Ethiopia.
Yeah, hello.
Hello. Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
How?
Now how far? Yeah, no. Oh damn. Oh, Mister Okasa Sramatin can you po? Oh, the way. Yeah, Miss Obesan Fra. And San Francisco DC. Oh, Kobe. Now Kasana ya ton kan kama po betem semena na me kasana untiminka. Yes, kasa. Kobe utiminka.
Hello, Ras.
Hello, Kobe utiminka say.
Okay. But I am so untiminka, but like I am so maybe in tonka but me tonka. Right. Concluding like the facts na me can say I say excuse my language again. Yeah, so song kwasa sem so ama na babedu baby ababedu no. Like we ya create an asem penifo na create that monster no. What I say sometimes say obi ya dey na so like right from say oka say ubusa akola what started politics now besides say what is Kennedy Japan known for? He's going to straightforward tell you say that man who insults like I don't know the best again and I don't know the best identification because now all back in the days na MPP for there e be kwa kwashe Mahamadan e be kunwe e be buwe e be say meme ni ha openi ni ha no macho man phone ni ha ana nkwasa like as an honorable person at that time, no, started using foul languages and nobody checked him.
Yeah.
Right? And to say no, do your 10, and our bed and a monster or baby console. So the only thing we can do to eradicate this nonsense, to stop this bullshit, is to just kick him out.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And kicking him out, no. Yeah, past that stage now, can say, okay, we're not going to work with you anymore, so pack your stuff and leave. They say, baby, democratically, yes, you cut to aba, mesre a from us and delegate, and say, some namuko to aba, want to abani, not my money, not be a bemana fairly comfortable in the near future to Sesania, Ubia, or wash shares and as always take your part in. And yes, this is how it's going to be forever because. Knock on wood once again. Say koto na say be a doctor nya 60, no nya 40, and I say whatever it is in the baby more. So now no, you better say for the sake of asumjinti, doctor uncle panic on Sansombra. And you and I know say a copanic chona or bar. Like he's just gonna show face. He's not gonna do anything to help this party. But what he's gonna do, they say, Obeba no abedi mu ati say no didi mu ano. Your man is stage, your man platforms on kokanya asema. Okwa no akoka asema eye ebeshe nkofu ebufu. Stuff that's gonna get people paid. So what I say, and he did job. And I say, like clearly. Look at the people who are surrounded by him. And I say, no surrounded. Why not the campaign team when your appointment? For that matter, a juicy appointment. Everyone in his campaign team got an appointment. So what I say, omo be 8 years, omo be 4 years, omo be 7 years, be. But just that they are just running away from accountability from NDC internet. And they are Kennedy Agyapong. So what I say, ni spew lies and gun for into Sesania, yebi. It is a second in Japan on one casa a free party him on his owner. Yaman such a disgraceful friend and figure to say, Ebia, only by 15% be. It is 15%. Okay, back in the days, Alan Chamantene and Ekufuado, Mikai 2007, they came to a tie. Alan Chamantina 40 something, Ekufuado 40 BB. Into a hodom, a Bema Alan Chamantina power be doing say our stake and I say our constituency be our party. So what I say, it's Bibia, na mejai, na masamba, or doing so jaya or a party in Begu. But Ojaya a really power no. Yes, I'm so far by a money be what minister, cabinet minister for 7 years until time on one casa resign. I don't know party nisa. I pray for everybody. I pray for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Say a kune dine also he shouldn't be relentless. Money in Kase or Yanko now. Because obviously, how are we treating Osha Peace Parks, sending your year in Kofo Dimi any side na. He was like a lonely ranger, and as a lone ranger, the treatment that they were like how people around are treating him. No, I feel so sad and bad for him. For my way, he shouldn't back up, right? Because on why invest or party we will be BR. Why invest or party we will be BR. We in another danko kufa. The third person when invest or party we Dr. Bawumia. The time, the effort, the seeker, the BBR when invested. So what I say, it's a and Rebecca say, yeah, baby, you need back on action. You forget to hear saying nonsense now is going around. Now, me the main cash, me the BBR say, next week by this time, Ras, I promise you, I bet you, we're gonna talk again. And you're gonna give me my stone, say, oh, OBG, somehow kind of Anna Abim. It's not gonna get any substantive number. It's not gonna get any number. Be Rebecca say, oh, can Agyapong cry at it? They know Enkusishi. We are. The meaning of narcissist. We won't say describe it. Kennedy Agyapong. It's a narcissist. Ras, Yaminka. Bye bye.
Yemia Kobe Jima and a turning cano. I watch an adrian. Say a man for ni back some before I say 100. Yeah, so I tell you, I'm the mobile another. I say a share. That answer never call. Mama were dios a dios, but video be a more de tear. Video we sit on whom be man. Nama crowd. Adios.
Coordinators. A year 19.